Next Level Mindset, bringing you another powerful and positive video. Creative Mix, copyright-free music for all content creators. I've been using them for a while and they have a great variety of music, different varieties of music, free of charge. So check out Creative Mix, go to their YouTube channel, subscribe there, go to creativemix.com, create a free account, start downloading their music, use it in your videos, use it in your live streams, or just listen behind the scenes. So a big thank you to Nick Nimmin and D Nimmin over at Creative Mix. They're not sponsoring this video, but if you choose to use them, just tell them Stevon told you about it. If you trim like that, you're gonna lose that chat replay, but that's why I like to have pinned comments. Anytime someone comes in and they leave a chat, you can pin it on the screen so that if you do lose that chat replay, you can always include it in sections like this right here. So once you trim that edit, once you edit your live stream in any way, you're gonna lose that live replay, but you can always have it where you can come in and you can pin your comments, and anyone who comes in, they can also be involved in the live stream just like that. Another thing to keep in mind, I like Tubebuddy. Tubebuddy is one of those major browser extensions. They have over 90 different tools for your YouTube journey. They can help you with SEO, titles. They could also do thumbnail A/B, what they call A/B testing on your thumbnails. So check out Tubebuddy with the link in the description, or just go to tubebuddy.com/StevonJBiz. Also, when it comes to doing live streams, it's a learning game. It's all really about learning and having fun. As a matter of fact, check this video out right here coming up on the screen. I think that would be a great video for you to watch next. So check that out, enjoy that. Thanks again to my subscribers and returning viewers. You are the life of the channel. I really appreciate you. Hit the like button, share this on your way out. Subscribe if you haven't done that. Stay blessed, stay positive. I'll see you on the next level. Peace.